It's me again, Johan, and my brother Jacob. Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Johan Wonders. Thanks guys for watching and subscribing our channel. Please stay connected and stay safe. Today, we are doing another cooking video. Today, we will make a Filipino dessert called Sweet Potato Delight or Kamote Delight. Are you ready? Then let's get started. Here are the things that you will need. You will need sweet potato or kamote. You need butter, all-purpose cream, cheese, and condensed milk. Are you ready? Then let's get started. We will smash the sweet potato.
A few inches later.
Like a Kamote Delight. Don't forget to like and subscribe so that I can make more of my exciting and amazing videos. Thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching.